Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. So, do you want to know how to stop thinking about your ex-girlfriend or wife? Well, here's the thing you got to understand. No matter if the breakup happened just yesterday or years ago, the pain will never really go away, unfortunately. When it happened, you probably felt inadequate and somewhat less of a man, right? You probably still feel the same way now. And if you do, then I got some encouraging words for you. It's not your fault you feel that way. Those feelings of inadequacy and depression, 100% natural. It's a completely human, acceptable reaction to being rejected and replaced. So here's my advice. Don't worry about it. In fact, your feelings right now reveal a good trait in you. That you're really a good person and would change everything if you got a second chance. Am I right? Here's some good news. What you're going to learn in this video will give you that second chance. Believe me. So here's my question to you. Do you really want her back? Because if your answer is yes, then that's all that matters. In this video, you'll learn the one thing that you need to get your ex-girlfriend or wife back, and for good. And it's something you've never heard anywhere before. I guarantee it. Before we go into one thing that you must do to get her back, however, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great. Let's continue. So what's that one thing that you must do to get an ex-girlfriend or wife back for good? Answer: by enslaving her emotionally. Now, if the word enslave shocks you, understand this. I don't mean the physical kind of enslavement. That would be wrong, not to mention illegal. What I mean is to enslave your ex emotionally. Big difference. To win your ex back, you'll need to make her addicted to you again. You must make her enslaved to you emotionally. Listen, the reason your ex left you is not that you had misunderstandings or arguments with her. Those are just symptoms of the real problem. What's the real problem? It's because you didn't enslave her emotionally to you. Believe me. So how do you enslave a girl emotionally? I'm going to tell you how, so listen up. Enslavement involves emotionally segregating her from the world. It involves using mind control techniques to make her look to you and only you to meet her emotional needs. Here's the tricky part. Enslavement is a huge topic. You understand that it's impossible to lay out everything you need to know in a single article. Enslavement techniques are meant to be used from time to time to stoke the fire and keep her hot for you. The more you use them, the more she feels like you're the one for her. And then, ultimately, she'll reach the point when she can't imagine herself being with anyone else but you. When you have enslaved her successfully, she will be yours for as long as you want. Sounds good, right? Tell you what, next, I will teach you one simple technique which you can use to enslave any woman to you emotionally. So listen up. But before we get into that, I want you to do this for me. If you have enjoyed this video this far, then subscribe to my channel because that will guarantee that you'll get these videos from me in the future. Go on and click on the subscribe button because I'll wait here. Done subscribing? Great. Let's continue. Many of my subscribers who used this technique had emailed me to tell me how wonderfully well the technique had worked for them. And you know what? If it works for them, it works for you. Believe me. So now it's your turn. Heck, I'll make things even easier for you. How? By giving you access to the core mind control technique that will help you get your ex back and keep her in your arms for good. That technique is called fractionation. It's the cornerstone tactic which powers up every enslavement technique ever invented. Even better, fractionation makes it 10 times easier to make women think what you want them to think, feel what you want them to feel, and do what you want them to do. By mastering fractionation, getting your ex back becomes easy as pie. Remember this, if you can't stop thinking about your ex, then there are only 2 ways to be happy again. 1, you either get over her or move on, or 2, you get her back. And if you want to get her back, fractionation will increase your chances tremendously. Believe me, it will work for you. Here's the thing though. I can't explain mind control in detail in this video. It's already pretty long as it is. And that's why I'd recommend Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control. After you sign up for Derek's masterclass, you'll know what mind control is, how it works, and how to use it on women. A link will now come up in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Rake's online masterclass comes up. There, enter your best email address because that's where your masterclass ticket will be sent. Do it. Click on the link now.